name is Ashley Clemente. I went to Life Science Secondary School in Manhattan, New York, and my major is agricultural entrepreneurship. It was my junior year of high school. Going into senior year, there was like a barbecue, and I came up with my aunt, and you know how everyone's like, oh, they have the feeling, they have the feeling. Well, I guess I had the feeling, and I really liked it here. My favorite part about the ag program is pretty much how hands-on it is. I really do feel like I've had so much hands-on experience that I feel like everything I've learned, I can literally say, I've done that, or something related to that. I think my first week, I was in front of a horse, and we were just talking about like the anatomy of a horse. And after he explained the anatomy, he said, here are some stickers and label the horse. And for someone who's never really had to come in close contact with a live horse before, like in front of me, that was to me really hands-on. The professors here at Alfred State, at least the ones that I've taken, are all really caring and they push me. I haven't had a professor here that didn't believe that I could do the best that I could, or like at least to my potential. I chose Alfred State because out of the options, I felt like it was the most accessible to me. I don't feel like I lack anything. I've grown at Alfred State and I can't wait to elevate my community.